English conversations. What are you doing? Learn subject pronouns, present progressive, using to be plus the verb plus ing. What are you doing? I am cooking. What are they doing? They are gardening. What is she doing? She is cleaning. What is he doing? He is eating lunch. What is he doing? He is swimming in the water. What is she doing? She is walking in the city. What are we doing? We are eating pizza. What are they doing? They are dancing. What are you doing? You are learning English. What am I doing? I am asking questions. Vocabulary. What are you doing? I am, he is, she is, we are, they are, you are. Walking, sleeping, eating, dancing, learning, going, gardening. Practice in the comments below. At Lulu Library.